Did you hear something? Yeah.
Hello! How do you do? It's time to learn something new. Hello, hello, today is so very special just because of you.
Hi there. My name is Simon, and this is my very good friend Jumper. We've got a lot of fun things to do, so come on, join Jumper and me, and watch very carefully.
My name is Jumper, I live on a lily pad. My friend is Simon, it makes me so glad. We dance and sing and play all day, this frog has really got it made. And I'd like to say, like it's so fantastic. I got my start as a little pollywog, and then I grew up to be a big green frog. We dance and sing and play all day, this frog has got it made in the shade. And I'd like to say, life is really fantastic. My name is Jumper, live on a lily pad. My friend is Simon, it makes me so glad. We dance and sing and play all day, this frog has really got it made. And I'd like to say, like it's so fantastic. Oh, so good. Careful, bud. Oh, my favorite. Chocolate-covered flies.
I bet if you help us, please, we can sing our ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs, 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 ABCs.
Our bodies have two sides, a left side and a right side. Now let's see you wave your left hand and now your right hand. Very good. Okay, now let's see if you can wiggle your legs. First, wiggle your left leg. Now, wiggle your right leg. Hey, that was great. Why, you do it even better than I do. Okay, now let's lean your head first to the left and now to the right. Fantastic. Okay, now we'll step to the left. How'd you like that, huh? Yeah. Okay, now step to the right. You're doing just fine. Okay, now we're gonna swing our left arm and swing our right arm. Oh, very good. Yes. Oh, think I should stop now? Okay. How about tap your left toes to the music, and now we can tap our right toes even more. And now we can wiggle your left fingers. And now our right hand fingers. Yeah! Fantastic! Thank you very much. We got our left side and our right side. This is the Guess What game. The magic board will show us some clues, and it's our job to guess what. Hey, Jumper, I wonder what the clues will be about this time. Animals?
All right, my favorite. Simon, where are the animals from?
I don't know. Let's see. Africa? Animals from Africa? Oh, let's play. First clue. This animal has brown, funny-shaped spots.
Second clue. It has a long neck.
I know. It's a
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe. Very good, Jumper. Let's try the next one. Oh, this one's easy. There's only one animal with stripes like that.
Yeah, it's a zebra.
A zebra. Very good. Did you get that one? Great. Want to try another one?
Clue number 1. This guy has a furry mane.
And a long tail.
I know. It's a lion.
Terrific, Jumper. You're so smart. Let's try one more. First clue. This animal has a long nose. Why, it's gotta be an elephant.
Simon, you did good. And so did you.
Game over! Game over! Game over!
Red, green, and blue, and yellow too. There's lots of colors in the world of view. Tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna color me a job or two. Red, green, blue, yellow, Purple. Orange. Brown. Pink. And gray. Red. Green. Blue. Yellow. Purple. Orange. Brown. Pink. And gray.
Let's count from 1 to 10 on our fingers, which is perfect because that's exactly how many fingers we have. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, let's do it again, all right? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Okay, a little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love it. I love it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, do you know rap? Well, this is the food rap. Here we go.
We need food to make our bodies grow. Food to make our bodies go. Peas and carrots, beans and bread, strawberries and cherries all covered in red. Cereal, milk, eggs and more. You can get it all at the grocery store. Apples and oranges, not me, bananas, but lettuce. I love lettuce. Lettuce and tomatoes. These are all foods that help your body grow from your head down to your toes. All right! We need food to make our bodies grow. Food to make our bodies go. Chicken, fish, meat and cheese. Corn and cabbage and broccoli, please. Applesauce, peanut butter. No food tastes quite like the other. 3 square meals. Morning, noon and night. And a snack. And a snack. And a snack. Snack raisins. Make it all just right. We need food to make our bodies grow. Food to make our bodies go. We like to jump. We like to run. We like to have all kinds of fun. But we cannot do this if we don't take care of our feeding our bodies. So there!
There!
Now, let's play my favorite game, Simon Says. And you can play along too. When I say Simon Says, do what I do. And when I don't say Simon Says, don't do what I do. I think I'll even try and trick myself. You ready? Simon says, touch your head. Very good. Simon says, touch the floor. Put your hands on your tummy. Okay. Simon says, put your hands on your tummy. Excellent. Very good. Simon says, turn around. That's right. You didn't get dizzy, did you? No, of course not. Simon says, put your hands on your shoulders. Very good. Yeah. Put your hands on your ears. No, no, no. I didn't say Simon says. Simon says, put on a smiley face. Hi, I'm here, and Jumper is way over there.
Here I am.
You know, I'd really like it if you'd help me get from here to there. I'm getting tired. Would you please help me find my way through the maze? I know. I'll go back to the blue dot, okay?
Please help my friend Simon.
Yes, please! Oh, I finally made it.
All right.
Big and scary, smiley and hairy, monsters are only make-believe. Big and fat, I like 'em like that. My monster is mine, no one else can see. Green and yellow, blue and purple, monsters are only make-believe. Teeth and claws and big fat paws, my monster is mine, no one else can see.
I know. Let's build a make-believe monster together.
That sounds fun.
Yeah. Let me think. He'll have a blue furry body.
And a smooth green tummy. No, make that a yellow tummy just like mine.
Yeah, that sounds good. How about short, stubby arms and legs? With orange stripes.
A square, blue, furry head. No, make it sort of round. Yeah.
Yeah. With yellow horns and bright green eyes and black furry eyebrows.
Good job. Now, he's got to have a smiley mouth with big white teeth.
Oh, that's a great monster, Jumper. Wow.
But we forgot one thing.
Well, what's that?
His belly button.
His belly button? Why, how could I have forgotten his belly button? You can't have a monster without a belly button. There's just no way. But now that we've built this fantastic monster, what do you say we just take a big breath and blow him away?
Ready, set, blow.
Well, we've had a lot of fun, but it's time to go. But I promise Jumper and I will see you next time, okay?
Should I be sad? Should I be blue? No, not I. And certainly not
when we'll be together, you and I. There's always next time.